First, I have my tools here. This one is a printing tool. These ones here are RJ45s. This one is a cutter. This is a cable tester. Then this is a Ethernet. Orange with white, blue. That means it's going to be a B to B. So, first I have white, orange, and orange. White, orange, and orange. I have white, green. I have white, green, and blue. White, green, and blue. I have white, blue, and green. White, blue, and green. Then I have white, brown, and brown. Then after, I'll put these ones together properly. Okay, like that. Okay. Like that. Then I use my printing tool here to make sure that it's firm. Ensure that they are firm. Okay. On to the other side, our B colors like we did earlier on. Make sure these are the straight line. Insert them in the RJ45. Use our printing tool to ensure that it's firm. Okay? The complete straight. This is the B. So I insert this in the cable tester. Check if it works properly. See? This shows that the remote is functioning properly. Now we are going to do a crossover. We are going to do like we did earlier, we combine colors. This is the A side now. So first we're going to have white, green, and green. White, green, and green. Sorry. Then white, orange, and blue. White, orange, and blue. Blue and white, blue. Then white, brown, and brown. Okay? So press them, make sure they're ordered. Put them together. Make sure they're together. And insert our RJ45. Make sure it's firm. Then we're going to use the crimping tool to ensure that the RJ45 is firm. Okay? We're going to do it for the B now, but the color arrangement is different. Here we're going to have white, orange, and orange, white, green, and blue, white, blue, and green, white, brown, and brown. Okay? Then we insert them in the RJ45 like we did earlier. Again, we're going to use the crimping tool to ensure that it is crossover. Now we're going to use our cable tester here to see if it actually works. That we insert it. Insert it. And then turn it. Now this shows that it's actually